Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy piece of boho inspired home decor. All it takes is one skein of yarn and this rustic wreath form. Start by cutting a string that is approximately 3 diameters of your hoop. It's about 48 inches. Fold it in half and run the 2 pieces around and through the loop and pull tight. You're going to do this with 10 strings. After you have your 10 strings on, you're going to start by smoothing out the pieces so that they line up where they lay on the top half, and then you're going to individually knot each string around the bottom. We're also working at a diagonal, so we started on the upper left and we're pulling the string down to the bottom right. You'll want to do this with each strand of the yarn. Now you'll need 10 more strings at that 48-inch length, and we're going to do the same exact method, but this time we're going to do it on the upper right side, going at a diagonal across the yarn that we already did. And then you're going to repeat by tying each strand in a double knot at the bottom. Again, you're going to start with another 10 strings and we're going to go back to the place where we started. This time we're going to work on the left of them. As you can see, our first strings are underneath, and now these strings are going to go over the top of that last section we did. So again, you're going to double knot them around the base. And again, we're going to start with 10 strings, and this time we're going to start on the right of that other section. So there'll be 2 sections on one side, 2 sections on the other, and this one again is going to go on top of all the others. So they overlap and make a nice crisscross. After you have your last section of 10 strings completed, we're just going to kind of fan out and smooth our edges, and then I cut them in a V shape at the bottom. For more information on this project, you can go to craftsdirect.com and visit the Projects tab.